Welcome back to Plants Are Speaking. Are you listening? Nature is authentic. Losing our connection to nature is like losing the connection to ourselves. We become unauthentic. We place importance on other worldly things. Working in a garden helps to nurture us. It increases our self-esteem. It builds our confidence. It creates clarity because it calms and grounds us. And it's easier to be mindful in a garden. So nature really does nurture us as we nurture the garden. Sit in a favorite spot next to a favorite flower, walk across the lawn, sit on the grass, and feel connected to nature. Look at the clouds as they float on by. You are a part of it. You are not separate, never were separate, never will be separate from nature. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to like, subscribe, or ring the bell for future episodes.